Hey guys, my name is JT with Investments and Refreshments, and today I'm going to show you the fastest way to buy Safemoon. Let's get right into it. So first, you're going to go to your app store. For me, I'm using a Google Pixel, so I'm going to go to the Google Play Store. Once you're there, you're going to type in Trust Wallet. Then you're going to click Install. Then you're going to open that up. You are going to create a new wallet. Then you'll want to click on the privacy policy and the terms of service. And then you'll check, I've read and accept the terms of service. Click continue. Back up your wallet now. I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. Click continue. You're going to copy these and then move them into your Notes app. Then you'll just paste that. Go back over into your Trust Wallet. Click continue. And then you're going to review your recovery phrase. So now my wallet has been successfully created. Click done. Push notifications. Nah. So then what you're going to do is under where it says buy, you're going to click buy, the little price tag icon there. And then we're going to do $50 of BNB. Hit next. It's going to pull up Simplex or whatever third-party credit card, debit card processor. They are going to have a fee for processing your payment. So this is not going to be the cheapest solution, but I didn't say it was. I said it was the fastest. So you'll put in your information here. Here you can save your card for future purchases if you'd like to. I'm going to uncheck that and then hit next. Then you'll just put in your billing address. I'm going to ask for you to verify your email. So you're going to go to the email that you just entered. You'll put in your code. Then it's going to verify your payment. Once your payment has been authorized, then you'll have to put in a code that will be texted to you. Once your payment request has been approved, then you're going to return to Trust Wallet. Then within a couple minutes, your BNB should appear in your Trust Wallet. From there, you're going to go to the DEX option down at the bottom of your screen, and you're going to swap BNB for Smart Chain. So then you'll enter the amount that you would like to exchange for Safemoon, remembering that there is going to be a network fee, so you're not going to be able to exchange 100% of the BNB that you're holding. We're going to try and get as close to 100% as we can, and then whenever you hit swap, if send at the bottom is in blue, then that means that you are good to move forward. So we're going to hit send. Swap successfully completed. Hit OK. Now if we go back to our wallet and refresh, then we can see that we have about $39 in Smart Chain. Next, we're going to go to DApps, which stands for Decentralized Applications, and we are going to navigate to PancakeSwap. We'll hit PancakeSwap, then click Connect, Trust Wallet. Now our Trust Wallet is connected. And as you can see in PancakeSwap, it is displaying our Smart Chain balance as BNB. So then down here, where you're going to select the currency that you'd like to exchange for, you're going to type in Safe, and Safemoon pops up. Notice for trading Safemoon, to trade Safemoon, you must click on the settings icon and set your slippage tolerance to 12% plus. This is because Safemoon taxes a 10% fee on each transaction. 5% fee equals redistributed to all existing holders, and 5% fee equals used to add liquidity. You'll just hit I understand, hit continue, and then we're going to hit the max amount. Then at the top here, under settings, we're going to set slippage tolerance to 12. And then X out of that. Then we're going to hit swap. Confirm swap. You're going to hit approve. Transaction submitted. Click close. You'll X out of PancakeSwap. Back in your Trust Wallet, up at the very top, you can see a little filter icon, and this is where you're going to be searching for tokens, and we're going to search Safemoon, and then we're going to check that as selected, and then click the little check mark. Then you're going to hit back. And as you can see, we now have 5,900,000 Safemoon. And that's about it. So the whole process from start to finish takes about 15 or 20 minutes. And as you guys saw, we initially deposited about $50. And then towards the end there, you could see that we only were able to buy about $32 worth of Safemoon with that. So I'm not here to tell you whether or not it's a great investment. I might make a video about that in the near future, but please do your own research before investing in anything. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, please leave a like down below, consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell icon. If you have any feedback for this video or any ideas for future videos, please leave those in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much, and good luck in your investments.